Hi everybody and welcome. Today's support video is going to focus on dependent events. So if you are looking at a situation where I think usually a good example is like a bag of something and there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So let's say we have 3 red dots, 3 green, 4 red, 2 blue, and 1 yellow. So your first thing that you want to do is find out what is the whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10 total things here. So if we're looking at an event, and we're going to say, okay, probability that we get yellow and yellow on our second. So we're going to see 2 things happening. So our first time we're going to get yellow. Second time we're also looking to get yellow. So on our first event, the probability of just yellow is 1 out of 10. And then second, what we're going to see is if we've taken that yellow out, it's no longer there. So let's literally do that. So we have taken our yellow out. So we're saying goodbye to this friend, you're gone. So there's 9 total left. And unfortunately, actually, there's no yellows left either. So we're left with 0 out of 9. So your probability for this is 0 out of 90, or just 0, because there aren't 2 yellows. The probability of taking 2 yellows out of a bag where only 1 yellow exists is nothing, because you can't do it. It doesn't magically appear. So that is an idea of basically removing one from your whole, and when you remove one from your whole, you're going to see that your probability changes for your second event. Let's do another example though, because I know that this can be kind of confusing. So we'll do probability that you get a red and a blue. So reach into the bag to get a red. Out of 10 total things in the bag, there are 4 red dots. So now we've done it. We've taken the red out. This leaves us with 9 total dots. Probability of blue now, there's 2 blues. So we did not change how many blues were in the bag the first time through. We just changed how many total were in the bag. So blues goes down to 3, total goes down to 9, and we're left with 8 out of 90 as our probability. So 2 different types of dependent events there. What you'll see is for both, your whole goes down. So for both of these things, basically what's happening is we're going to see that our second time through, we end up with 9 total things. But it depends if the top changes. So it depends on what you take out first if your top changes. And to be specific, they tell you what you take out first. So this one they're telling you, yep, you're taking out a red. This one they tell you, yep, you're taking out a yellow. So there's no guesswork in what you're removing from the bag. It's always